Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a yellow cross. Now this is the fourth step to solving Rubik's Cube. The first three I have already mentioned. In the first three steps we solved the first two layers. Now we're gonna move on to the third layer, which unfortunately is the most difficult. This is a yellow cross. Just ignore the corners for this step. So we're gonna make it. Now there are four cases you can get. The first one where the yellow cross is already solved. In this case you can just skip this step and move on to the next one. But if you get this case, now ignore the corners, it's a line. These two edges are flipped, these two are solved. What you do is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. That's it. It's solved. And now, okay, this is an L, ignore the corners. It's an L from here, sort of a J from here, but hold it like this, and F, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now you'll get the line case and R, U, R prime, U. There you go. It's solved. Now there is an alternate algorithm that you do for this case. Face it like this. The two solved edges, one towards yourself and one towards the right. Now move both layers down. F with two layers, or U, R prime, U, F prime with two layers. And there we go. It's solved. Now one more case you can get. Where absolutely nothing is solved. Just ignore the corners again. It's just a dot. In this case, F, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now you'll get this case an L. Ignore the corners and I did it wrong. Okay, there you go. It's solved. And next video we're gonna move on to the fifth step, where we're gonna want to align these edges with their centers. These two are aligned, these two are not. They need to swap places. There. Wait, it didn't work. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do in the fifth step. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.